How to fix Google Photos not backing up automatically. Let's get started. Check backup is enabled. Open Google Photos, tap your profile picture at the top right. Make sure it says backup is on. If not, tap to it to turn it on. Select Storage Saver, then click on Confirm. Next, enable permissions. For that, close this and launch your Settings app. Now scroll all the way down and navigate to the option Apps. Search for Google Photos. Make sure you have granted the permission of Photos and Media. Next up, check your internet connection. Backup works only with internet access. Use Wi-Fi or enable backup over mobile data. Head over to Google Photos, Settings, Backup, then select Use mobile data when no Wi-Fi is on. Next up, update the app. So close this, launch your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Google Photos. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app. Next up, free up space in Google account. So close this and launch your Google Photos. Click on the profile icon, select the option Google Photo Settings. Click on the option App and Devices. Click on free up space, likewise click on Cache. Then toggle on for the option Limit Cache Size. And that's it. These are some fixes for Google Photos not backing up automatically. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.